Hello. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Marissa. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So today you can see the locks are out. So this video is going to be all about locks. Now I have a couple of church announcements before we get into this video. So church announcement number one, my kids are home. So if y'all hear them in the background, like ignore them. They ain't going to stop this content getting put out. Okay. Like, yeah, because we going to do what we have to do. And then what was my second announcement? Oh yeah, church announcement number two. I have a new microphone that I'm testing out today, but I'm still using my old computer. Long story. So I don't know how this is going to sound, but again, like Ray Charles said, or Jamie Foxx said on the Ray Charles movie, we gonna make it do what it do, baby. Yeah. But anyways, what's up, y'all? So lots. I am 6 months. Okay. This video, no, I think to this day, I am 6 months locked in this video. And okay, so right now you see me, I'm just sectioning off my hair. Of course I have to do 1,010 rubber bands because my hair is on the shorter side. Earlier in that white bottle, when I decided to just go off and spray my mirror too, that was leave-in conditioner. So this is a new leave-in conditioner that I am testing out, more so on locks, because I'm just trying to see something real quick. But in today's video, so it's not going to be a long voiceover. It's just going to be more so just you all just watching me do my retwist. Now there is going to be a time when I come on, because like real life, all jokes aside, I do have some real like announcements in regards to my hair, why my locks look the way that they look, because you're going to see not separation, but you're going to see like a switch up in the size of my locks and like the partings, and why I retwisted my hair the direction that I did. And yeah, I think that's all. I don't know, y'all. I'm listen, if I got something else to say, I'm gonna pop back up on the mic and say what I gotta say. But until then, I'm gonna go ahead and shut up, or be quiet, just in case the kids watching. We don't say shut up, we say be quiet. I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet and let you all enjoy this retwist video. So I'm back. Now you're going to see this part. My locks do kind of get a little shorter than the other ones. My line is kind of like a little crooked. I am okay with that. So one thing is, I really don't use a comb when I retwist my hair. Like I do and I don't. I'll say a comb when it's time for me to actually do like the retwisting. In regards to my parts are concerned, I typically don't use a comb. Now in this case, not this row, I believe it is the next row that you all are going to see. I did use a comb only because it gets a little fuzzy in that area, and it gets fuzzy because, so these locks are, I guess we could say they're like newer. These locks may be like 4.5, 5 months old, and I say that because in one of my update videos, or when I was just talking about my locks, they I was telling you all about how I split rows because I made them smaller. Now you can see my locks. Okay, how can I explain this? I have rectangular parties, if that makes sense. Okay, they're the bases. Let's say the bases, they look longer, so these are considered rectangular. You have all types of parties. You got your squares, the diamonds. I've seen some triangle partings before. The C-shaped, whatever it is. It's a bunch of different ways you can start and part, or part and start. Hey, I got bars. Anyways, the locks, okay? Now, my hair, more so my head, because I have the undercut, which I am growing out. Um, it really wasn't that even to begin with. So, which kind of made my rows a little different. And the way how because I started my own, I parted my own. I have like a small curve in my parting. So there's like a dip. All right. Where my little baby hook is at. I ain't really got no big old hook, y'all. But like, so I'm trying to get you all like to understand it, trying to like help y'all visualize it the best way I know how. And so it kept like hooking down. And that's what kind of made some of my partings a little longer than others. And so by the time I got to the top, again, it is in another video. I believe it is. I will look for that and I'll make sure to post it in the description and the comments. But like this one, you can see I have a little longer one, but like in that little section right there, I ended up splitting those locks horizontally and vertically to make them into the size. So y'all, this is just what it is. This is the size that it is. I am not going to change my locks. It is what it is. We'll see what they do as time goes on. If anything, I will combine them. I don't know, y'all, for real, like, I just really want to stick to retwisting my hair because, yeah, like, this is what I got. So, yep, okay. And then I'll be back for part 2 of my church announcements.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Okay, so when I said I was back for part 2, so this was like part 2 of the part 2 of my church. Remember, I had the 2 church announcements earlier. Technically, this will be 3, unless we can say church announcements part B, part 2, or 2 part B. Anywho, all right, y'all. So here we go. The direction I am twisting my locks, not the direction, but the way I'm laying them is what. So I am laying them going all to the back. I'm not putting on like special design or anything like that. Not design, but what's the word? Not design. I can't think right now. But I'm not doing anything styling. Thank you. I'm not doing any special styling to them right now. Just retwisting them going all to the back, because you'll see when I take my scarf off, you can kind of like mess around with them and how they lay. Now, here we go. I'm forever combining locks. The front part, I am combining these two. I did not have my little tool. I had to just retwist them together. And I'm probably just going to keep retwisting them together until they eventually just like become one. I'm retwisting them. I am combining them because it is on my edge. If it was not on my edge, I would be okay. But because my edges are weaker, and in all honesty, I really don't even remember that lock being weak like that. So, oh, and let me show y'all this little ball spot. So, y'all, this is a whole nother. That's a whole nother conversation. But anywho, so with the part that I am combining, because it sits on the edge, and my edges, okay, most people's edges are weaker. However, my edges are weaker. And so I'm not about to be sitting up here with Stevie Wonder pushback edges because I was ignorant and I decided to do like a whole lock on the edge. And honestly, I could have interlocked it, but and people get sister locks and stuff like that all the time. But as for me in my house, we don't have some strong little bit of edges that we do have over here. And yeah, all right. So I'm just finishing retwisting. I'm going to the back. And then I guess I'll see y'all at the end because I ain't really got nothing to say. Okay. At the end, I'm gonna go ahead and finish it right here. You see, I laid them the way that I did because that's just how they laid. So, anywho, yeah, you see, I got some little shakers on there. Yeah, my hair growing. I got inches. Like, I cannot wait to do 0 month to like month 6. But anywho, as always, thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, do me a favor, please give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a big thumbs up. Y'all just thumbs up the video. And don't forget to like, well, we already said like, we already established that. Comment and subscribe. Feel free to share. And all that jazz. Okay, I guess I will see you all now, I guess, but we will catch up in the next video. Okay, bye.